My English learning journey, simple yet effective methods.
Everyone's journey of learning English is unique, full of challenges, but also incredibly rewarding. For me, it's been a journey of discovery, not just of the language, but of myself. From the very beginning, I realized that learning English isn't just about memorizing vocabulary or mastering grammar rules, but also about connecting emotionally with the language and the culture behind it. Below are the simple but effective methods I've applied throughout my journey. 1. The beginning, first encounters. I started learning English at a young age, but like many others, my initial motivation came solely from school exams. Things really changed for me when I had the opportunity to meet and interact with some international friends. Through brief conversations with them, I began to understand the importance of this language in broadening connections and knowledge. This awakening sparked my curiosity and made learning English a lot more exciting. 2. Finding the right learning method. As I progressed, I realized that not all learning methods work for everyone. One of the first methods I tried was learning vocabulary and grammar through textbooks, but that quickly became boring for me. So I switched to more engaging approaches. Learning through music and movies helped me improve my listening skills naturally, while also exposing me to how English is used in everyday conversations. By learning through entertainment, I wasn't just memorizing words, I was enjoying the process, which made it much more effective. 3. Emotional connection through language. One thing that stood out the most to me while learning English was the emotional connection with the language. When you listen to a favorite song, the words aren't just vocabulary. They carry emotions, moods, and stories. Writing down my personal feelings when listening to music not only helped me improve my writing skills, but it also deepened my understanding of the language. This emotional connection made learning feel easier and more natural for me. 4. The benefits of group learning. Nothing accelerates your speaking skills faster than group learning. Joining an English club or study group brought me so many benefits. I didn't just get to practice speaking, but I also learned from my peers. Discussing, correcting each other's mistakes, and sharing experiences helped me gain confidence in my daily conversations. Learning in a group also provides motivation and support, which encourages progress. 5. Consistent practice is key. No matter how fun and diverse the learning methods are, the most important factor is consistency. I made it a habit to write a journal in English every day to improve my expression and creativity. By writing about my daily experiences and feelings, I didn't just enhance my writing skills, but I also trained myself to think in English. Little by little, regular practice has helped me make noticeable progress over time. Conclusion. My English learning journey hasn't been short or easy, but it's been full of joy and meaningful experiences. Every method I've applied, from learning through movies and music to joining study groups and writing daily journals, has brought me tangible results. Most importantly, you need to find the approach that works best for you and never give up. Remember, daily practice is the key to unlocking success on this journey. I hope you can find the joy in learning English and make it a part of your daily life. Thank you so much.